Ooh, the warmth is insane, dude. The warmth is insane. And I cannot even turn the AC on. And guess what? This motherfucker is omnidirectional. And I have an Acer Predator. If you are familiar with the series, you know that if it gets hot, the fan will sound like jet engine. And I will have no choice. If the motherfucker goes jet engine, I have to go ASMR. Look at me. And something funny I have to tell you about before I start introducing myself was that, this is my first video and I had prepared my light boxes. And before I start recording the first one, I'm in this video, exactly before I press the start recording button, one of the light boxes just blew out. Luckily, it was the warm light, and I am using a little natural light instead of it. I replaced it because I had no choice. A little shadow behind me, but we're good. I will fix this shit before I upload the next video at least. And I won't talk too much. Greetings and welcome. My name is Alireza Abedini and you are watching AlgoDucks Studios YouTube channel, where we uncover and explore the underrated and often forgotten concepts in computer science. This is where we bring those topics to life. Back to life. Our mission here is to shine the spotlight on the topics that are rarely talked about in today's society. In today's world of computer science and scientists, I have to say, they don't talk about these topics too much because they think those are underrated, but those are fundamental, motherfucker. People have to learn, so don't say that. People in these days, these generation of computer scientists and programmers and etc., they only think about creating and they don't care what's going on underneath. And by underrated topics, I exactly meant those underrated topics that people don't care about learning them. I will talk about the topics, but not only talking about them, we will get deep into the concepts. We will recreate things and learn how they even work. Don't forget to subscribe to stay tuned for the incoming videos, and of course to click on the bell icon so you don't miss the videos. No shit, this channel's foundational birthday is today, and it just so happens to share this spotlight with a very special occasion. So happy birthday! Today, July 17, 2024, our channel is officially started, and I'm impressed you're watching until here. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. So keep coding.